Are you in the market looking for a new home for yourself and your family? Do you want it to be close to the heart of Singapore, where going to the different parts of the island will be a breeze? How about your daily meals, if you don't plan to cook? And not forgetting your daily essentials? They should be readily and easily available, right? Besides location, both the property size and the layout must be functional. And your personal privacy should be well guarded too. What if the unit is on a very high floor with a panoramic view? That would be a bonus, right? Well, if these are the criteria you need to tick in a hunt for your next home, then you really have to watch on. Hello everyone, I am Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Thanks for watching my video. If what I mentioned earlier are what you have to tick for your next home, then this 90 square meter HDB 4-room flat at Commonwealth View featured in this video might be just the one you're looking for. Located on a super high floor at Block 90 Tanglin Halt Road, our unit is a 4-room flat standing at 969 square feet or 90 square meters. Overall layout is squarish and functional with a spacious living cum dining. The walkway leading to the bedrooms enhances privacy for the latter. All bedrooms are still intact, making it ideal for a family of 5, 6 or even more. Kitchen is equally spacious too, which is ideally proportional in size. Last but not least, the home shelter, which doubles as a store, is located in the kitchen too, integrating it seamlessly yet unobstructive to the overall layout. Enter the flat and you will be welcomed with a neat and clean home with an unblocked view. Always bright and airy, making the home comfy and cozy for you and your family. Kitchen is simple and well maintained, practical yet functional with cabinets of both sides. Master bedroom is huge with lots of space for you to furnish and decorate the way you like it. With an unblocked view too. Common bedroom lets you put in a bed, wardrobe and work desk with ease. There's an unblocked view here too. Now that we have seen the unit, let's move on to see the neighbourhood and the amenities. Commonwealth View, with the lease commencement year starting 2007, consists of 3 40-storey high blocks, namely Block 89, 90 and 91. Flat type includes studio, 2-room, 3-room, 4-room and 5-room, catering to the various profiles of residents. Besides the residentials, there is also a multipurpose hall for all community events, and a multi-storey car park that includes a food court and a supermarket for your daily meals and daily essentials respectively. To add to the variety, there is also a fast food restaurant, bakery, optical shop, cleaning and many more for the convenience of the residents, hence making this neighbourhood self-sufficient. For your daily commute, we are right beside the Commonwealth MRT station of the East-West line, where a 20 to 30 minute ride will bring us to popular places like the City Hall, Orchard Shopping Belt, Vivo City, Shenton Way Business District, Chinatown, Marina Bay Area, just to name a few. So there you have it, a very well maintained and functional 4-room flat in an easily accessible location that will satisfy most people's home hunting criteria. If this is a match for you too, scan this QR code and get in touch with me today and I'll be happy to show you around. Once again, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, signing off. Cheers.